one of our colleagues studies the new courses we've just created. So let's ask her how it goes. What was your favorite part so far?
So, for example, the practice how to hire developers, for example, C# developers on LinkedIn.
What else is inside?
And that is also technology map.
Oh yeah, that actually reminds me, C# is just part of the puzzle, right? Inside the academy, we have a range of courses where we teach recruiters how to source, interview, for example, mobile app developers, Java developers, full stack, front-end developers, and others. We have these worksheets as a part of the RECRUITER Academy training. So recruiters, just like Kristina, can remember some of the key terms even better and for longer. Recruiters, just like Kristina, can learn online how to source, how to interview, how to evaluate, how to assess developers. How cool is that?